Coleman lanterns and working metal traps. I used to be able to find these little Coleman lanterns all over the place, but now it seems like they're harder to find. They're battery operated and they take a really small, or actually a rather large, button-sized battery and a little LED light. Two of them I have. Actually, I still have the battery compartment and probably batteries. Then the last one I picked up, and it does not have a battery or battery cover. I'm now finding these in thrift stores and places like that. I don't find them in the stores anymore, which is a real shame. That's the one that's missing the neat net, but watch this. Yep, these traps work. Picked these up at a little roadside place in Washington. They were calling them mosquito traps, which is actually kind of funny. But they're actual working mini traps. It'd be great for a hunter's lodge or something, an abandoned hunter's lodge. Well, I hope you enjoy taking a look at these small lanterns. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to click that notification bell. Hit that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment, ask a question, and don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. Until next time.